Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on HONOR X5c Plus. So here you have to select your language and then click Get Started. Now you have to select your region and then click Continue, and here you have to accept your terms of use and then click Continue. Now you can insert your SIM card or you can just click Continue. And here you can connect to your Wi-Fi network or you can just click Skip. Now you can set date and time, then click Next. And here you have to scroll all the way down and then click Accept. Then click Continue. And here you can set up your device protection by fingerprint or face recognition, or you can also set up password, or you can simply click Later. Then you can click Skip. And here you can enable additional services, or you can just click No Thanks. And now click Later. And then click Enable and Continue. And here you have to select your system navigation method between gestures and 3 keys, and then click Finish. And now your device is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.